innovation to application. Chandigarh University unveils the Microsoft Skill Center, redefining how students learn, build, and lead in an AI-driven world.
So Microsoft has recently signed an MOU also with Chandigarh University, which offers how we can embed virtual labs into a COE center where the students can come and learn. Microsoft is really excited to collaborate with Chandigarh University for this skill center, where we'll be offering AI for all. With this collaboration, it would help all the students here who are doing Microsoft certifications. They will become more employable. It is very important for them to learn the new skills which are there in the market, especially on the AI side.
More than a lab, it's a launch pad powering skills, possibilities, and the next generation of innovators at Chandigarh University.